Hello everyone, I am S. Mohanasundari, Department of Chemistry. Welcome back to this class. So in this video we are going to discuss Chapter 1, Introduction to Chemistry. So in the previous video we already discussed what is food preservation and how chemistry is involved in that, and the methods of preservation like old methods and modern techniques. So in this video we are going to discuss furthermore topics, that is role of chemistry in agriculture, cosmetics and clothing. So let us discuss the first one, role of chemistry in agriculture. So chemistry has helped to increase food production through fertilizers. That is, in agriculture field, chemicals are involved like fertilizers, so that helps the increase of food production. So what is fertilizer? So these are the chemical substance that supply the nutrients to the plants. That is, they help to increase the productivity of that crops. So the farmers use fertilizer to increase the crop yield. The example for fertilizer are urea, calcium nitrate, potassium chloride, triammonium phosphate. So these are all used as fertilizers. And the next one, this fertilizer gives the essential nutrients to the plants, that is like potassium, sodium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, calcium. So these nutrients are required every plant. So these nutrients are given by that fertilizer which the farmers used in the field. So the next one, apart from the fertilizers, chemicals are also used as insecticides and pesticides. So these insecticide and pesticides destruct the pest and insect which destroy the plants, so that we can get more yield. So these pesticides involves the malathion and copper sulfate, that is, these are all the example for pesticides, and the methoxychlore and Bordeaux mixture are example for insecticides. So these are all used to destruct that pest and insect which destroy the plants. So the fertilizer, insecticide, pesticide, these are all should be used in limited amount. Apart from the limited amount of usage, it causes a severe effect on human beings as well as in environment. So it should be used in limited amount because they pollute the environment. And the next one, chemistry in cosmetics. So we all know what is cosmetics. So from the ancient times, the mankind has involved in the beautifying the body process. So they wear jewels, they make up their face. So nowadays, for that beautifying category, cosmetics are used. That is, various chemicals are used to beautifying our face and body. So these cosmetics refers to a substance that are used to beautify the body. So it includes face powder, perfumes, deodorants, lipstick, nail polish, shampoo, etc. So in face cream and lotions, the thickener substance is used. So for example, stearic acid, carnauba wax, gum, silica gel, magnesium aluminum silicate. So these are all used as thickeners, which is used in face creams and lotions. And the next one is moisturizers. So the moisturizer is a thing that prevent the loss of water from the skin. So for example, beeswax, olive oil, glycerol, petroleum jelly, these are all used as moisturizers. So we all know Vaseline, Vasocare, so that product we use in our skin to avoid the water loss from our skin. So these are all example for moisturizer which keep our skin moisturized. And the next one is sunscreen. Sunscreen is a cream or it may be a lotion that protects our skin from the harmful sun rays. So it blocks the UV rays from the sun and prevent our skin from the damage. So most commonly the sunscreen involves titanium dioxide, that is, over 20,000 cosmetic products has titanium dioxide in their ingredient. So it blocks UV rays as well as it protects our skin. And the next one is foaming cosmetics. So we all know what is foaming. So foaming cosmetics includes toothpaste, shower gel, shampoo, etc. So in these foaming cosmetics, the chemical which present is sodium lauryl sulfate. So this is present in every foaming cosmetics. You can check it in your cosmetic products. As well as in talcum powder, in all the talcum powder, the common ingredient that present is magnesium carbonate and zinc oxide. So these products have magnesium carbonate and zinc oxide in their ingredients. And the next one is chemistry in clothing. In ancient times, the man wore only leaves, the bark of the trees. But nowadays, we are wearing lot of cloths in different fibers. So in ancient times, they cover their body using the things which they got. After that, we grow cotton crops. That is, we plant that plant, and then we get that fiber from that plant and we developed the cloths. So afterwards, wool and silk were also introduced. So apart from the cotton, we are using linen, wool, silk, etc. So the linen is get from the flax plant. So we are using that these natural fibers for clothing. And nowadays we are using synthetic fibers. That is, synthetic fiber is called man-made fibers. We are providing that synthetic fibers using various chemical substances. So these are all called man-made fiber or artificial fiber. So for example, nylon, terling, rayon, so these are all comes under synthetic fibers. So nylon is made up of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, which is used to prepare ropes, parachutes, swimmers, etc. And the terylene is manufactured from ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. It is used in manufacturing of clothing and also bottles. And the next one, semi-synthetic fiber. The semi-synthetic fiber is nothing but it is made up of both synthetic and natural fibers. So for example, we all know terracotta. That is, the terracotta is made up of terylene and as well as cotton. So thank you students. Stay home, stay safe. We can see in our next class.